Hi, Bruce Butler, JB Hammer Designs. In the past, the only way of viewing a house plan was in 2D plans or by going to the trouble of building a scale model. But today, all of that has changed. Every aspect of a custom home or remodel can be created in the computer and viewed in realistic 3D. You can see the exterior and even create the actual terrain in 3D. Or you can go inside your project and get an idea of how the interior will look. The advantages of these tools are obvious. You can see it before you build it, and thereby save on the tremendous expense of trying to change something after it's already in place. Now many manufacturers make 3D images of their products such as cabinets, flooring, and fixtures so they can be placed in 3D models. This technology has been developing for the past 20 years, but unfortunately most designers still do not use it. I can show you your project through every phase of the design process with videos like this, so you can actually see the finished product before you ever break ground.